So hey guys, my name is Syyed Shabaz Salim and you are watching my YouTube channel SAK Creation. So guys, we are back with latest bridal blouse design. On this design we are making one peacock bridal blouse design on a sleeves. Sleeves have all around boxes and middle side one thumb size look, and we are stitching one peacock in a middle side of sleeves. Okay, and we are using all gold on this blouse design. We are not using another color. Okay, we are making full of gold bridal grand blouse designs. Okay, and back shape is a round, and back blouse length was in 15 inch and sleeves length 10 inches, back neck deep 10.5 inches and front neck deep was 7 inches. 7 inches is a normal. If your chest was 36 and waist 27 to 28, so you are using back neck deep 9.5 to 10 inches and front neck was a 6.5 to 7 inches. It was a correct measurement for these are size. Okay, 36 chest, 28 waist. Okay, so right now we are using 7 number wooden needle. It's not for beginner. These needles only for little bit pro workers. Okay, and always remember one thing guys, if you are a beginner, you are not using these are needles. Okay, you use iron needle because iron needle was strong, so you can handle it easily. So right now we are stitching stone chain with 7 number needle. Basically we are stitching do tar needle with stone chain, but right now we are using another needles. Okay, and this was a bridal and latest blouse design, so that's why we decide to share with you guys. And if you like this video and if you want to order this blouse design, you just WhatsApp on this number on I'll mention on the corner of your screen. Okay, so right now we are stitching some boxes on a sleeves. First you can see this, we are stitching one straight line and then we are stitching opposite side, and boxes are automatic was completed, and we are also stitching one 3 number moti in a middle of boxes and also cover with the gold spring. I'll show you with another step. Okay, so right now we are using one 8 number wooden needle. It's a needle very unique, and especially for a pro level workers and pro level students. Okay, this needle not for a beginners. Always remember one thing. Okay, and we are stitching a straight line first, then we are stitching landscape line, and automatic my boxes was completed. Okay, and you make easily same like this. Okay, I'll show you another work on back side. So we are on the back neck and we are start to stitching one kasab line, and this is a very unique crystal sugar beads, and right now we are using same needles. Already we are using on a sleeve 7 number, and right now we are on the back and also use 7 number needles, and right now we are stitching crystal sugar beads, and these sugar beads was a different and very unique color, and this sugar beads shining never gone, and it's a little bit costly to according other sugar beads. Okay, and if you want these are equipment, you just WhatsApp on this number. And we have also one Ari jumbo kit especially for beginners and who want to learn this work, and you just buy one kit and learn from my video and also join my classes. Okay, so if you want more information, so please do WhatsApp on the same number. Okay, so right now we are using 7 number needles with normal gold spectra thread and some sugar beads. Okay, first we are stitching straight, then we are filling. Okay, so right now we are on the sleeves, back on the sleeves, and same as it is we are stitching already the boxes, and right now we are stitching same as it is boxes, and we are also stitching 3 number moti middle side of boxes and also cover with the sugar beads and gold spring. I'll show you with another steps. Okay, so stay stitching straight lines, not some rotate and some difficulties on a stitching. So I'm sorry for my explanation because I have no idea about English, but I'll try for you guys because my lots of family members not understanding my English, and he don't understand my Hindi. So face too much difficulties to learn this work, so that's why we are decide to explain my work in English. And look at this downside, how we put over needle in a downside, and how we use hooks in a downside. Okay, look at this. And this is our latest grand blouse designs. Okay, so we are back on a back neck, and we are stitching some booties on a back neck, and back have just one leaf border. Okay, and some booties with yellow color kundans, pan shaped kundans, and we are cover kundans with sugar beads. And sugar beads have a most important role in all blouse designing, because sugar beads have very important equipments. If you don't have sugar beads, so I think you are not making any type of blouse designs. So always remember one thing and do very slowly. First you learn this work very slowly, and then you are start to making your own design. And also if you are able to take some orders from other side, so you can do very easily and also do very neat and fresh work. Okay, and if you want any help according to Aariwork classes, Aariwork knowledge, so do WhatsApp on the same number. My team always ready for your help. Okay, so we are back on sleeves, and we are stitching some motifs on a middle side of boxes, and we are stitching all boxes with this 3 number motif, and we are covered with sugar beads and also gold spring all around the 3 number booties. Okay, 3 number motifs, and also we are using 7 number needles, and in downside was a normal thread. Okay, and boxes have a too much shape. You make always according to your choice. You want some little boxes, you want some big boxes. Okay, you always make your choice, not just copy me. You always make your design with your thoughts and with your opinion and also with your demand. Okay, so we are stitching all the boxes with the 3 number motifs, and then we are stitching all around the motifs gold spring we are using gold, and we making this full blouse with the gold work. We are not using any other colors. Okay, so look at this middle side of thumb. We are already drawing one peacock, and peacock has a very different work, and we are stitching the last part of peacock. Okay, we are ready all the sleeves, then we are stitching to peacock. Okay, and look at this middle side of border have a single places and free places. So we are stitching one leaf on a thumb side of border, and middle side we are stitching peacock. I'll show you everything what we are stitching on the peacock. Some kundans, and also we are using some sugar beads, and also we are using some gold spring. Okay, so right now we are cover gold spring all around the 3 number motifs, and I'm really sorry for my little bit difficulties in English. So please manage, these are things, because I'll try my best, and you guys also support me. That's why I'll try to explain my work on English, and please forgive me if I do any wrong thing and any wrong explanation and any wrong word. Okay, so please understand, these are things. So we have covered all these 3 number motifs with gold spring. Okay, right now we are already using 7 number needles. 7 number needles have a 2 variant. One variant is a wooden needle, and also one iron especially for a beginners. Okay, if you are a beginner, you have no idea how to put these are needles in hand, and how to move this needle and how to fold this needle. So best for you are using wooden iron needle. Okay, so right now we are sticking some kundans on a back of a peacock. Okay, look at this, and we are sticking some kundans and leaves for some minutes, because when kundan are sticking strongly, so it's go long time. Okay, and if you are using immediately, you are using gold spring all around the kundans and other things like sugar beads, so I think kundan was not stickly strongly. Okay, so always focus, these are things. First you sticking some kundans and always leaves some minutes, for 5 minutes, and almost 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, and we are complete. These are kundan sticking. Then we are stitching another work, I'll show you. And also we are stitching one sugar beads line on back, peacock back. Okay, and middle side we are stitching one stone line, and also we are stitching sugar beads, and both are side of stone chain. Okay, so look at this blouse look, and also 2 workers work on this blouse. Okay, so right now we are stitching gold spring all around the leaf, and also look at this peacock. Peacock almost was ready, and peacock middle side you can see this. We are sticking some kundans and also stitching sugar beads lines, and lots of work on a peacock. We are using lots of sugar beads and gold spring. Almost 80% work in a peacock is a gold spring, because gold spring looks very different and also looks premium. Okay, and if you are using a gold spring in your blouse, so your of course your blouse looking very gorgeous and very grand blouse design. And this gold spring was a very high price, maximum 16 to 1700 rupees per kg. Okay, so this time to I'll show you the final look of my blouse designing. Okay, so look at this blouse design, guys. Very beautiful and very good work, and with the neat and also finishing work. And if you want to blouse these designs, if you want to order this blouse design, you just WhatsApp on this number. I'll tell you 7565906171. This is my WhatsApp number, my team WhatsApp number. And if you want this blouse design, and if you want to join my classes, and any details you want, you just WhatsApp on this number. And guys, please tell me how's my work quality and how's my explanation quality. Okay, and if I'll do any mistakes on my explanation, so please forgive me, guys, because I'll try my best, and I'm new in talking in English and explanations. Okay, we are making lots of tutorials in Hindi, but if my audience was not feel happy, so I'm always not happy. So that's why I'll decide to explain my work English. Okay, so please forgive me if I'll do any mistakes. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial, guys. And if you want to order this blouse design, you just WhatsApp on this number. And please don't forget to like, share and also subscribe my channel.